was waiting all my life. Someone
Yeah.
that chemistry.
I'll marry.
Where you to go then? Passport. You give me a passport, right?
Yeah, I'll give you that visa in a heartbeat.
Look. This is guys. Everybody in my life right now is 673 people watching you. Okay.
Bikra mata.
No,
What does
don't
that
say
mean?
that. Don't say that. You speak Spanish. qosolka ma ku fiicni qosolka waa ku xuntaa ku xuntaa. You speak Spanish?
Anakuwaso.
You want to fuck? No good. You want to? No married? No nothing. Right away look isla galay soo isku farxad. No. Why you want to? Ana ku aroosina ma anfici karto. Isku sheeko soo sheeka ugu soo.
I'm just reading the comments. These are your people. They're telling me to say this.
Listen to me. You speak Spanish?
Okay. A little bit.
Okay, mi casa tu casa. Sheekada way dhamaatay.
Really?
Sí, mi casa tu casa. Tu casa mi
Can
casa.
I see your house?
No. Mi casa no. Listen,
Because I don't want your house if it's ugly. I don't
okay,
want it. I don't want to share your house if it's ugly.
you are,
You're American. You're lying to me.
oh my god. Look at this American. Believe everything that people say. They don't believe.
Sika hoyada. Sika hoyada.
No. You need to stop reading. This is your problem.
What does that mean? Can you?
They read everything. Stop reading. Don't read. Just listen.
Okay.
When a man talking to you, you listen. When a woman talking to me, I listen. Sheekada way dhamaatay. Isii baan ku sii way. Respect. Isii baan ku sii.
Okay.
Comment, leave it alone. Me, you can't see right now. You can't see.
I swore at your mom. I
What?
swore at your mom.
What?
I cussed at your mom.
Yes, you just talked about my mom, but I give you a respect. You know why? Because you are a woman. We respect
Thank you.
women. Now,
But I feel like you're lying to me. Like I like people over here are telling me they're like, he's American. He's lying to you.
do I look like me?
I don't know if I talk like that. I can be African too.
Okay, now good. Now we understand. This woman is jokes. Everything left and right. Like look aan kugu tirtirayna madam adi oo qosolka bilaabtay.
Bigra mataiha. It means you are virgin.
Okay. عادي بلاب Somali soo qorooyin marka aniguna markan qosol iga ahayd ayadana caadi si wada marka live kana ka inaag soo neetay hadii kale live ka ban laga xira aniga qosolkii kaftankii barun u qaadatay ayadana caadi Soomaalidiin maxaan iga qaldan tii la galo commentigeed ma ku ordaysin in comment ku qoran naga daayano anigu day naga daaca waxa iga haasa isku qoslo caawa passport abdiga ta oo in adeerkayga oo Soomaali jooga passport ta oo raadiyo wax leena waxaan aan sameeyno naga khlayno aniga live kan cirka ii geey live kan ani 655 waxaas inta igu qoslaysiin aniga ma anficayso no I am not ma yeelay live kan illa 800 ay ka gaarto aniga maanta ma jirto qof walba qosol iska rabaa laakiin live kan ay kor geeyaan marwan 673 no ma jeclaanan sharafteeda ma baaba sharafta dhulka hoosna ay geenoosin live kan cirka noo geey awootada u dir abkoogaag u dir in 700 waa la gaarsiin naga qabsada marka waa
Oh, you answered. People usually don't answer.
I answer. You know why I answer?
Why?
That's what I care about.
Because what?
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Ashley.
Ashlyn, you are beautiful.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Beautiful name, beautiful face, beautiful shirt. I like that shirt you wearing.
Thank you.
Now,
It's my kid's shirt.
Oh, that's nice. Where are you from?
I'm from Houston. I'm from Texas.
Texas. What part of Texas?
Houston.
Houston. I read about Houston a lot. Westheimer, Richmond, Governor.
I live on Westheimer.
Galleria. I am in Africa, but I read about Texas so much.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Why do you like Texas? Why do you like that? If you sat in the traffic, you sure wouldn't be looking at the Galleria.
Oh, I everything in Houston, Texas, from Alif to Ya. I live in Africa, okay?
What part of Africa? South Africa or
East Africa, the Horn of Africa, the men's.
I didn't even know there was the east side.
Somali.
Like, I was horrible at geography. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I can barely get around Houston. Like I suck with the freeway. I gotta use my GPS.
I tell you where to go in Houston, Texas. I know the GPS in my mind. You go to 60
Oh yeah?
South or 65 North. You go 65 North, that's a West Timer. You took that side. Now you take
No.
listen, 610. 610 South. 610 South.
There you go.
Now you go to Kirby areas and all that stuff. 610 North. Now you go to West Timer. You go West Timer, you take
Yeah,
a
but
left. There is a Starbucks. On the right hand like this. Galleria is right here.
I don't go to the Galleria. I can't stand the traffic.
Okay.
And I'm
Don't
too
like
broke to buy
don't
this
like
stuff.
Galleria? I don't like That's it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Whatever you don't like, I don't like today.
What? I just like, look, the Galleria is like, oh, somebody said it's a prank. You live in America. Somebody said, why are they in my thing?
Dadkan maxaa ka khaldan? Listen, the problem.
I don't care what people say in the comments. I'm
Yes,
just gonna run.
Thank you. Me,
I don't read. Yeah, it's the internet.
me love America.
Hey,
Me,
regardless of what people say, I'm like,
Oh,
hey, if you want to be Papa Smurf from Smurfville, hey, cool, we gonna roll with it, baby. I'm gonna come visit
let's
Smurfville
roll.
one day. Y'all gonna
I
cook
love
for
to
me.
roll. I love to roll. Where do you want to roll? To the sky? We roll to the sky.
I don't roam. I stay at home.
What?
Yeah.
Listen. You passport, yes. Green card, yes. You
Of course, I'm American.
Okay, good. America, we love
I
it.
don't have a green card. I have a birth certificate.
Oh,
Certified. No, I'm
everything.
kidding.
People,
Huh?
listen. I want to come to America. How can I come to America?
Oh, I be watching 90 Day Fiance. I might be able to figure it out for you.
Hey,
That's usually how people do it. But see, I'm not the one because usually the other person, they got money. You know what I'm saying? Whoever brings whoever to America,
yeah.
the American has money. So
Yeah.
like I can't be that person because, excuse me, I'm broke.
Yeah.
No, like I had to start all over with my whole life.
Gacanta afka na
I had to start my whole life all over a year ago today because my ex tried to kill me.
Listen, we don't like your ex, all of us right now. 99
Of
camels.
course we don't.
99 camels. You ready? Ready, does it? Or 70 goats. Pick one. 99 camels or 70 goats. Pick one right now. You have a chance.
99 camels.
99 camels. That's it. Married.
And the only reason why, do you want to know why I said camels?
Why?
Because I can remember when I was like 22, off of the Beltway where all the warehouses are. Like,
What?
there was this like warehouse party with Deep Eddy Vodka.
Yeah.
And it was a Halloween party, and they had a freaking camel outside, like a real one. And I was like, what?
So Somalida عندها تورتن commenting ما أخرنيزو. الله حاسدينا. People here say you don't read the comment. Yes, she don't read the comment.
I do read the comments, but everybody keeps saying to say something, and I don't want to say something that's offensive because I don't know what it says.
I like that. I like that. Listen.
I'm not a follower. Like, I'm not gonna be like, oh, say this, say this, say this. I'm not saying that. I don't even know what they're typing.
Actually,
Like, I say you're a famous singer.
oh, my
Look,
first,
that's what they're saying in my comments.
no. But before I go, I just want to let you know that it was really good talking to you. You know, like you.
Hey, go follow me. I'm gonna follow you back.
I will. And I'm just.
Well, I already followed you, so follow me back technically.
I live in Houston, so I was just.
Hey, I have 60 people in my thing. I've never had this many people in my life before.
Yeah, we on almost 700 right now. We're rolling tonight. We had the best.
I only have 60.
Oh shit! Everybody, go give her a follow. So, with that being said,
Yeah, y'all
wait,
can give me a follow.
let me tell you something. There is a good restaurant in Houston. I live in Houston. You should go there.
Which one?
The Brazilian one, the one in Westheimer. You will love that. That's my favorite.
Where's it at? Like, I'm all down for eating different food. I'm cool with that.
Next to Fuego Steakhouse. I don't know if you know
Fogo
that.
de Chao?
Yes, or
On Dunvale?
yep. With that being said, it was really good talking to you, my sister. I enjoyed your.
All right, now you have a good night.
You too. Because kaftanka manala wadidno of naga tur. Okay. dadka caadiga soo qabanayna hadda oo na soo qabanayaan requestiga la soo qabanaa she have كداي come on قف okay everybody ده سو قوانينا everybody okay نمعنية على صخبنا يا واي مكساي نمعنية على صخبنا ماشي قصلك أدونك لغو هاي كفتنك she is beautiful وابل شي ضنتا قودة ماشي نشوكت عدك كورنا وقات وحير وانكم مخلا آخر ما كسوهات لو سامحة